Okay, this here is a 94 Dodge Dakota. I'm going to show you what could be wrong with your truck if you ever go out and it doesn't start. If your truck is carbureted, then this won't go to you. It's only on the multi-port injection. I don't think they ever put any throttle bodies in this truck. I could be wrong. But if you turn on the key, you should hear the fuel pump run for a second or two. If you don't hear that whine, one thing you can check up here in the engine compartment, there's a little a relay box under here, and there's a wire under here. This is the wiring harness here. You can kind of see where we ran into. Right here, there's a wire in there that's 3 wires here, and then they go into 1 wire here. It goes right back to the fuel pump. All Dodge did was they just soldered those to a metal plate and stuck it in there with these other wires. Well, over time that corroded, and then they became, connected. That little metal piece in there was almost completely gone. So if you get a little piece of wire, and then what we did for a temporary fix, when we first got to it, we just put a wire to link them together with wire nuts. Started up, it worked just fine. And then once I got back home, we soldered everything together with shrink wrap, made it a better fix, and then put some friction tape around it, the wires, to hold them all together, and that way if it ever sits here and rubs on the truck, it won't wear them away. So right there can save you probably a couple $100, just that little wire, whether it's towing fees, dealership fixing fees, whatever. It could save you quite a bit, because we got kind of screwed, and I wouldn't want that to happen to you. It's a very easy fix. We didn't know about it at first. We did some research, found it. Right there, save you a ton of money, and it's a very easy fix. You might have to take this box out. That's 2 or 3 bolts. There you go. You're welcome.